This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, thanks for
Okay,
waiting,
thanks
everybody.
for waiting, everybody.
I'm just quickly playing
So,
our last session recording so that we can connect correctly.
again,
So, in the last session, I
that's
was
the section
explaining you all
that we have.
how to customize
So today,
the key settings relevant to Material Master. So, we could see all the settings till material type. Now, we are left out working on material group, which is the fifth setting, which intentionally we had not done because I want to show the material group and the division both usage in combination. All right. So a quick reference of what we had done till date we just had. All right. So let me close this recording. Kindly wait, please. So let me log into the SAP screen. Okay. So go back to the IMG screen. Scroll down. Logistics general here. Material master. Settings for key fields, material group. See, what is the purpose of material group? If you all remember, we was working on Grasim. We started working on Grasim, I mean to say, right? Now Grasim is having how many divisions we made? They have a denim based products or division called denim made, cotton made, and general, right? But if you got to come up with the subcategories, say I say denim. In this we have menswear, women's wear, kids wear, right? So under one division, when you got to come up with the subcategories, we work on material grouping. How you'll see now. Now click on new entries, give a short name. It can be alphabetical, it can be numerical, or it can be alphanumerical. Anyway, it can be. Okay. So, or it can use the special characters also. So here I say um, GRA. I have an habit of giving slash. You can give anything slash, backslash, or dot. Anything you can give, or you can give continuity also without any space. So GRA dash slash. I say D slash men. Okay, so here I give detail name, and I say GRA hyphen K hyphen sorry B hyphen K. Like this, how many you want, you can create. There is no limitation. Save it. Our request pops up. Continue. Back. Back. Now we have set up all the customizing steps which are relevant and which are required to create a material. Right? Now what you are going to see is the front end part, end user point of view. Understand please? What I am going to show you the front end material creation part, end user point of view. So please watch me carefully. Everything what we made till date, if all the things are correctly customized, then only you can see. Everything means what? Your enterprise structure and your customizing steps of material master data. So enterprise structure, why we need? Your sales organization, your distribution channel, division, plant, storage location, warehouse. This all are required for creating a material. And in material master, accounting settings of two, global settings, posting periods of FI point of view, and material master point of view, the screen sequence, field selection, maintain company code for material master, material type, and material group. Until these all are made correctly and interrelated, you cannot step into create a material. సో ఇవన్నీ కరెక్ట్గా చేసుంటేనే మెటీరియల్ క్రియేట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ये पूरा सभी कुछ सही सही करने के बाद ही आप मटेरियल बना सकते. If you made any mistake in these steps, it will not allow you to get into the material creation screen. It simply throw a message, material is not set, or the company is not set, company code is not set for creating material. Such kind of it will show. So please be very careful. Done. So from SAP Easy Access here, logistics, sales and distribution, master data, then we have products, material, other material, mm01, mm02, mm03, create, change and display. So here you need to give your material identity. So I give a name, for example, GRASIM dot M hyphen 100, or I say anyway it can say Grasim hyphen 100. So it can have, if you might have noticed, I have taken alphabetical, numerical, and spell character. Nothing be left. That's what you see, right? When you are going to shopping, you ask for a product, the store person checks with the model number, model name, anything it can be. So Grasim 100 is the product name I given. And the industry sector, this product what I am creating belong to which industry? Just click on the drop down of industry sector and just say G, it will take you G alphabet, and in the G sequel, what is your made? Grasim textile industry. So the material what I am creating, it belongs to a textile industry, our made. So when I select this textile industry Grasim, how the views to be appeared? So the views to be appeared relevant to the material what you're creating. When you select the material type, it shows, first you select the material type. I say F here, finished product. So here, sorry, type G because it was G, Grasim finished product. Grasim finished product. It is not selected. Type select again. Done. So by selecting our made material type, it will show the views how we have organized user departments. So give your material name, select the index sector, give the material type, and click on select views here. When you click on select views, it shows, if I click on this icon, it will show all the views selected. If you click on this icon, it will show all the views unselected. Okay, so all the views are defaultly like this when you log in from your side. So basic data 1, basic data 2, sales organization 1, sales organization 2. See what I'm doing here, I'm going to select almost 16 views now. The views relevant to sales module, the views relevant to accounting, the views relevant to the inventory, warehousing, etc. Why so? When you maintain a product details among these all modules, then only you can see a product make, that is manufacturing, maintain, that is inventory, sell, that is SD, bank, that is finance. So you are understanding a product details maintaining in SAP system respective to all the areas. So when you got to explore a product through SD, so a product need to be organized into a entire supply chain. What is supply chain? In supply chain, you will see production, you will see inventory, you see warehousing, then comes sales. So sales is the outcome of the supply chain. So to meet this all, let's see. So select only those views which I am selecting here. Don't select anything else. So basic data 1, basic data 2, general. Sales org 1, sales org 2, sales oriented, sales general plant. A common details which are relevant for selling and production purpose. Sales text, a text which you want to tag to a product. What is that? I'll tell you. MRP1, MRP2. MRP stands for Material Requirement Plan, not Mark Return Price. So MRP1, MRP2, connecting the inventory. General storage 2. This is understanding the stock details, inventory point of view. Warehouse 1, warehouse 2. It is all about the stock details at the warehouse level. Accounting 1, accounting 2, understanding of accounting settings for product valuation purpose. Costing 1, costing 2, the after the product sales, whether it into profit making or loss for profitable analysis purpose. So costing views are controlling related, accounting or FI related, warehouse management WM related, storage materials management related, MRP again materials management related, and these are the core sales related. The first 6 views. So please make sure if you count all 16 views have selected. Every time don't need to select them, just mark them as, I'm sorry, just a minute. When you click on select views, just mark them as default. సో 16 వ్యూస్ ప్రతిసారి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఒక్కసారి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని వాటిని డిఫాల్ట్ అంటే అవి ఎప్పటికట్లా సెలెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. సో ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ వెన్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ ఇన్. సో వాట్ ఐ మీన్ టు సే, ద 16 views every time no one to select manually. So once you select all and click on default, so all will be coming as it is how you maintain. Okay, so that's about the flow. Click on organization levels now. Now here you got to give you a plant. What is your plant? I don't remember. Then how? Drop down. So click on the drop down. Or give it manually. So I give, for example, GRA. So it gives me plant GRAP. Double click. Storage location GRA. In which storage location? I say store GRA1. Sales organization GRAS. Distribution channel, I don't remember. Drop down. So I give G here. Let's see. Yeah, GF, GM. We made two distributors, offline store, online store, right? So I think we made three. Down it will be, see all. Yeah. So GO, GM, GF. Sir, we made three, no? We'll selecting one first. For example, GO. How about others? You'll understand that also how it works. Warehouse, GRW. That's what we made, but it's not responding here. Sometime it will not respond. So drop down and cross check. Don't give wrong. Even though you give wrong, it will not accept. First of all, be careful when you're doing GRW. And storage type here not relevant at the moment. Not required. Don't give anything. MRP file not required. Don't check them. Not for us. So you got to give these views 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After giving all these 5, click on continue here. Say continue. See, company code GRAI does not exist or has been not fully maintained. So if you made anything wrong, then you will get this. What's been wrong? Let me check. We made everything correctly only, but let me check. Because sometimes, even though everything what we made correctly, still it may throw such error. So step by step we'll check. First, financial accounting. I need to check the global settings. Here everything is fine. This is also fine. Also fine. These two are anyway fine because we could select in the first step. Settings here, maintain company code here. Let me check. GRAI Rasim India, yes. This is also fine. Define material type. Everything is fine, but why? Let me check to the last step. Quantity value updating. This is also fine. So everything is fine, but still, why it is not? So let me check here first. The company code, if somebody might have deleted, this is also everything fine. Let me just refresh once. See, nothing went wrong. Everything was correctly made, but still why it is not? Let's see once again. Sometimes, sir, I made everything correctly, still it is not. Yes. If something, some backend customizing step is not responding correctly, it may throw an error for you. So don't worry. So it is blinking at plant. Okay. No, it's not our end. Everything is correctly made, but still it is not. Let me refresh and try once. When all what we made correctly, still if it is not, then refresh and try once again. I'm just checking with my other batch settings, Suzuki. Kindly wait, please. It's working fine, but why it is not responding for Grasim? Because what happened, if you all remember, when we was creating customer, it was not showing our company code. I said somebody might have got deleted. I just gone and remade it again. So that may be one of the reason company code is not properly recognizing. Maybe one of the reason. Okay, so when something is not responding in such way, we need to get the table level refresh. I'll just get it done by the server guy. So just understand what I was explaining today. Forget about this last. I'll get it fixed up. What all the settings we have done, all are correct only. Now, nowhere we made a mistake. Any one among you, if you might have practiced till our last session, follow today's recording and complete your material group customizing, and then as how I shown you creating of material, click on mm01 and give your select the 16 views and give your organization levels, and when I say enter it will take you to the material creation screen. So if anybody had practiced till date, try to go and wait for me. I'm going to explain the 16 views. It's a huge content, but today somehow didn't allow me to go to the screen. Okay, we'll see that. So please do join with the same meeting link, this new meeting link for next more than 2 weeks. So please join with this new meeting link, and I'm going to share this recording. Please go through it. All right. So thank you all and see you in tomorrow session. It's quite common sometimes during this entire learning journey. Sometimes we may face a server issue. So we got to fix them up and move on. So it is quite common. So just you got the exposure of seeing the error. When you get that error, what settings to be checked, now you all understood. But everything what you made was correct. All right. So thank you all and see you in tomorrow session, please.